Ever wondered why butterflies choose to land on your hand? It's pretty magical. And have you ever been outside when suddenly a butterfly lands on you? Well, there are many reasons why this may happen. But today, we will go over one of the top reasons. You see, butterflies can taste with their feet. Yes, that's right. They have special sensors in their feet that allow them to taste a plant to see if it is suitable for laying their eggs. See, not all plants are created equal in the eyes of a butterfly. Some plants are toxic, while others simply don't have enough nutrition for a caterpillar to eat. This is why butterflies must be extremely picky when choosing a plant to lay their eggs on. And they use their feet to do the tasting. Now, you might be wondering how butterflies use their feet to taste plants. It's actually quite simple. When a butterfly lands on a plant, they secrete a small amount of acid onto it. The acid reacts with the plant's chemicals to produce a flavor that the butterfly can detect with its feet. If the plant tastes good, the butterfly will lay its eggs on it. If not, it will move on to find another plant to lay its eggs on. Now, you might be wondering why butterflies need to be so picky about where they lay their eggs. Well, it's because the food that caterpillars eat has a huge impact on their development. If a caterpillar eats low-quality food, it will be less likely to survive to adulthood. In fact, some caterpillars are so picky about their food that they will only eat one type of plant. This is why you often see butterflies in large groups on specific types of plants. They are all there to eat the leaves. But how do butterflies find these plants in the first place? Well, it's all thanks to their incredible sense of smell. Butterflies can smell plants from miles away, and it helps them to find the perfect plant to lay their eggs on. So next time you see a butterfly landing on a plant, take a moment to appreciate the amazing creature that it is. Its feet are doing an important job tasting the plant to make sure it is suitable for laying eggs. Now here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that butterflies can taste sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami flavors with their feet? That's right. They have taste receptors on their feet that allow them to detect these flavors. This is why butterflies are often seen drinking from sugary liquids like nectar and sap. They are able to detect the sweetness of these liquids with their feet, and it satisfies their sweet tooth. But butterflies aren't just limited to tasting sweet flavors. They can also detect sour, salty, bitter, and umami flavors. This is why you'll often see butterflies on plants that produce these types of flavors. They are attracted to the unique taste, and it provides them with essential nutrients. But why do butterflies need to eat salty foods? Well, butterflies are mostly made up of water, and when they drink salty liquids, they're able to get the sodium they need to survive. Sodium is an important mineral for butterflies as it helps them to maintain the right balance of fluids in their bodies. This is why you'll often see butterflies on salty plants like fennel and dill. They are attracted to the saltiness of these plants, and it provides them with essential minerals. But butterflies aren't just attracted to salty plants. They also love the taste of bitter foods. Bitterness is a chemical compound called tannic acid, and it is found in many plants. Tannic acid gives plants a bitter taste, and it can be very strong. But butterflies are attracted to this bitterness, as it means that the plant is full of nutrients. This is why you'll often see butterflies on plants like milkweed and parsley. They are attracted to the bitterness of these plants, and they provide the butterflies with essential nutrients. But what about umami foods? Umami is a savory flavor that is often found in mushrooms, tomatoes, and cheese. But did you know that butterflies love the taste of umami foods? Yes, that's right. They are attracted to the savory flavor, and it provides them with essential amino acids. This is why you'll often see butterflies on plants like stinging nettles and woodruff. They are attracted to the umami flavor of these plants, and it provides them with essential amino acids. But why do butterflies need amino acids? Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and they are essential for butterflies as they help them to grow and repair their bodies. This is why butterflies are often seen on plants that are high in amino acids. They are attracted to the savory flavor, and it provides them with essential nutrients. Now, you might be wondering why butterflies like different flavors. Well, it's because each flavor provides them with different nutrients. For example, sweet flavors are high in sugar, which is a great source of energy for butterflies. Sour flavors are high in acid, which helps butterflies to break down food. Our bitter flavors are high in tannins, which are a great source of antioxidants. And umami flavors are high in amino acids, which are essential for growth and repair. Now, you might be wondering why butterflies need to eat different types of foods. Well, it's because each flavor provides them with different nutrients. For example, butterflies need a lot of energy to fly, so they often eat sweet foods like nectar and sap. They also need acid to help them break down their food, so they often eat sour foods like citrus fruits. Butterflies also need antioxidants to help protect their bodies from damage, so they often eat bitter foods like dark chocolate. Finally, butterflies need amino acids to help them grow and repair their bodies, so they often eat umami foods like cheese and mushrooms. This is why butterflies are such picky eaters. They are constantly searching for a variety of flavors to ensure that they are getting all the nutrients they need to survive. But here's the thing. Sometimes butterflies may not be able to find the exact flavor they are looking for. In these cases, they may resort to eating something else instead. For example, if a butterfly can't find any sweet foods, it may eat a protein bar. Or if it can't find any sour foods, it may eat a piece of fruit. If it can't find any bitter foods, it may eat a leaf. And if it can't find any umami foods, it may eat a small insect. In fact, butterflies are so desperate for certain flavors that they will travel long distances to find them. For example, monarch butterflies travel hundreds of miles each year to find the specific milkweed plants that they need to lay their eggs on. Swallowtail butterflies travel to specific areas where the trees produce the exact leaves that their caterpillars need to eat. So the next time you see a butterfly, remember that it is on a constant quest for the perfect flavor. And who knows, maybe it will land on your hand and share its taste with you. And that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing butterflies and their quest for the perfect flavor. Don't forget to stay tuned for more nature videos. Until next time, happy fluttering.